Hi. Hello po. Namiss niyo ba to? Namiss niyo ba yung mga biglaang live? Wala lang. Kakauwi ko lang kasi, I did a few errands, like, nakapagpa-doctor's appointment ako kanina, and then, I picked up laundry, tapos, ayun, nakapagkape atashi. So, yun nga, ang dami sa inyo nagme-message na parang, alungkot ko, hindi ako umabot sa live kagabi. Problema ko yun. Charis, hindi. Ayun lang, bored lang ako, and tinatamad pa akong mag-start ng work right now. So, hey, kamusta? Wala ba? Hello? 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 Di nyo ako naririnig? Di nyo ako naririnig? Do y'all not hear me? Press 1. Press 1. Meron naman daw eh. Alam mo yung AC pala desisyon na naman. Ayan, okay. Narinig nyo naman pala ako eh. Anyway, kamusta? Ano nangyayari sa inyo today? I hope you guys are all safe and dry. Parang hindi naman na yata masyadong umulan today. Humupa naman na ata ang mga baha-baha. Puro eme-eme kayo mga season 3. Alam mo, Ate Jiggly, tantusan tayo. Charis. Ate, matulog ka na dyan. Anong oras na dyan sa inyo? Nangungulila na ako sa'yo. Parang tanga nag-live ako kagabi. Andun ka din naman sa Liana. Blah. AC, anong tuloy? AC, ano nang problema? Ang asim-asim. AC, mag-lunch break ka nga muna. Ang asim mo na naman. Blah. Anong tanga? Yes, ayun, nagpa-nails ako kahapon. If hindi nyo siya nakita kahapon, here they are. They're a milky white with some gold and pink reflex accents. Kinesu. You kids are the best though. Love you, ate. Pero sana magkita tayo soon. Sana na umuwi ka ba before matapos yung taon? Kahit magbakasyon ka sa Pasko. Ate, Ate, miss na kita. Ate Jiggly, umuwi ka naman kasi naalala ko na dapat yung disappointed ka sa akin. Tapos, masakit. So, parang kailangan ko ng presensya mo para gumaling yung sugat. Ang daming pala desisyon sa chat. Pala-decide na naman yan sila. Hindi na talaga siya FB10. Go. Salamat PLDT. Speaking of PLDT, oh my God. Okay, so I have ang dami ko namang shows this week. So, of course, tomorrow, we have the Big Enemy viewing party. And then on Thursday, I have Spit and Splits. I'm doing a show with Spit Manila. Yung mga viral videos ng Spit Manila, I'm sure you guys have seen on TikTok. Binati nyo yung FB10! Binati nyo. Binati nyo Sorry. So, doing a show with Spit Manila on Thursday. O, diba? Back to topic tayo. And then on Friday, what do we have on Friday? Yes, I have Eva's Global All-Stars Viewing Party. Ala na, ayan na. Ayan na. Yung connection na naman natin today. Ayan, I have a Global All-Stars viewing party on Friday. And then, sa Saturday, sa mga pupunta ng SM Mega Mall for PLDT Drag the Store, I will be there as well with Popstar Bench. And si Missy will also be there. So, I'm excited to see everyone sa Saturday sa Mega Mall. Kayong mga nagreklamo, kayong mga ang late ng shows, ang layo, ganyan. Baka naman bang paunlakan nyo kung magkita-kita tayo sa Mega Mall. Hey. Ang cute ng duck. Mrs. Laban! Am I a Christmas girly? I'm really not. Honestly, I'm really not a Christmas girl. I don't know. I feel like dahil tumanda na ako, I'm kind of like a Scrooge on the holidays. I'm like, nakakapagod all of the family gatherings, all of the family events around Christmas time. It's like, please leave me alone. Give me alone, Charis. Next, do you want the new Pop Mart series? Yung name is Chaka. Ala, pupuksain. Parang pupuksain yung Pop Mart series na yan. Mababiyahe ako Olonga po to Mega Mall para sa'yo. Alam mo kung gagawin mo nga talaga yan, edi go, ingat ka, see you there, take care, mwah hugs. Pag hindi, edi king ina ka. Charing. Nandiyan pa ba si Ate Jiggly? Jiggly Caliente. Jiggly Caliente, uwi ka naman Ay, hindi, Ate Jiggly, kung hindi ka uuwi, magpasamgyup ka na lang uli sa mga bakla. Magpasamgyup ka na lang uli sa mga bakla. Tapos mag-video call tayo habang nag-samgyup kami. 'Di ba? Kung hindi ka makaka-uwi, mas mura 'yon, 'di ba? Mas mura 'yon kaysa flight. Magpaano ka na lang, ate. Ayun ang connection talaga to. Binati nyo kasi. Magpaano ka na lang, pakain ka na lang sa mga bakla, ate, 'di ba? Mas mura pa yung kaysa lipad, ate. Ate Jiggly, baka naman. AC. Pag babumiyahe ako for PLDT, mahal mo na ako ulit. Alam mo, AC, ang problema kasi, ayoko sa lahat yung pinapaasa ko. Ayoko sa lahat yung sinasabing, see you sa ganto, punta ako sa gantong show mo, tapos hindi naman natutuloy. Tapos may makita-kita ko para sa ibang show, pupunta siya. Parang, okay, sige, go. Okay lang naman sa akin yung tayo magkita, pero yung pinaasa mo ko, yun yung... Ayun yun yung problema ko Not sponsored, but I'm drinking Zeus Coffee, Gula Melaka, though medyo parang for the first time ever. Well, siguro dahil I'm taking meds for health reasons. May ininom akong gamot today, so medyo na-acid ako. So parang like, okay, maybe coffee calm down. Hi, sobrang sarap mo dyan. Masarap naman talaga ako, pero yung pinakamasarap, Deep Way Angel yun. Siguro ako parang second or third. Charis! Na para bang same script kayo ni Regina Marie. Kasi okay lang talaga Okay lang sana talaga yung hindi kayo pumupunta. Pero yung sasabihan nyo, kung punta ako sa ganito, punta ako sa ganyan. Tapos nag-expect ako. Tapos wala. Wow! Gay. Pabiyahe ako, di ako pasok para sa'yo. Huy! Okay ako. Masok kong if you have class, prioritize your classes. Do not. Hindi naman, girl, after naman ng season namin, hindi naman ako mawawala. After season 3, hindi naman ako mawawala. Girl, I have been in the Philippine drag industry. I've been like a mainstay in the Philippine drag industry for like the past 3 years. Just because the Drag Race Philippines season stops airing doesn't mean I'm gonna go away. So, yun, there are other times na baka mas libre ka to see me, then go then. Pero wag nyong, girl, prioritize nyo, kailangan nyo prioritize. Wag atashi. Wag nyo lang talaga akong pinapaasa kasi yun yung masakit. See you Saturday. Punta daw dyan kaluluwa ko. Ayoko. Wag na. Wag na. Ayoko makakita ng kaluluwa lang. Huhu, sana makapunta kayo sa minor pa. Kung makapagpaalam kayo na maayos sa magulang nyo, go. Hindi naman, girl, hindi naman kailangan legal age pagdating sa mall show. Ano pa pinaghuhugutan ito? Kung ano man pinaghuhugutan ko, live ko to, wag mo akong pinapagalitan. Nakikiwatch ka na nga lang ng live, be. Uy. Kalma nyo. Dear, ano gusto mo gift for SM Mega Mall? I'm willing to accept anything you guys wanna give me. Pero kita nyo naman ang mga interests ko sa likod. I am a child. Honestly, I am a child in a 27-year-old body, sir. OMG, naka-live yung idol ko, nakakaiyak. Nakailang iyak ka na ba? Yung totoo. Nakailang comment ka na nakaiyak. Nakailang iyak ka na yung true. Charis. Make suggest no perf mo to 2:30 pa uwian ko Saturday. Bakit ako yung mag-a-adjust? Akala hindi ako yung nag-decision kung anong oras ako mag-perform. Kliyente po namin yung PLDT, so sila magde-decide. Kung gusto nyo, bayaran nyo yung PLDT, ganon, charis. Yeah, I'll be performing sa may PLDT branch store sa may SM Mega Mall because it's PLDT Direct to Store, but yes. You love Sanrio characters. Cinnamoroll best boy. Cinnamoroll boy. Basta, Cinnamoroll is my favorite, but I also love My Melody, Kuromi, Little Twin Stars. Ayan, love ko yan sila. Pass sa Hello Kitty. Sorry, hindi ako fan ni Hello Kitty talaga. Yes, Spit and Split on September 5 this Thursday. See you there. Nilalanggam na ako dito. Oh, anong gagawin ko sa langgam? Mami, paano dapat lyrics mo sa girl group ko? Ano yung lyrics na nandun? Ano ba? Ang dami niyong gusto sa akin. Tao lang naman ako. May ganap ka ba after PLDT? What if hosting? What if magpahinga ako AC kasi marami akong show this week? AC, alam mo, kung kailan show ko ayaw mo akong puntahan. Tapos, sisingit ka sa schedule ko. Wow, bayad ako sa'yo. Ano ba yan? Wala pa mi sa Manila kapag mag-mall show ikaw. Manifest na lang another. Wanna see you as Sailor Jupiter Neptune. Might be a while because I don't want to pull the same references all the time. Since I already did a Sailor Scout reference for my promo, I kind of want to like not pull out another Sailor reference soon agad-agad. Kasi there's a lot of like media and shows that I definitely want to pull references from. So, basta, we'll cycle back to that at some point. Pwede ba regalo ko na lang sa'yo sarili ko, ha? Okay lang po ba? Ano gagawin ko dyan? Lapit lang, mi mega wanna watch po. Yes, Zaki, please go to the PLDT Instagram account for more. Actually, puntahan ko na for you. Wait ka lang. Teka ka lang. PLDT home. Asan yun? So, watch Popstar Bench and Mix Chanel perform live at PLDT Drag to Store, PLDT SM Mega Mall, September 7, Saturday, 2:00 p.m. Ilang years na ako nagda-drag. I've been doing drag for 4 years. Skull Panda reference next. Just di ako mahilig. I'm unfortunately not the biggest fan of Skull Panda. I mean, cute sila, but like they're not my priority when it comes to Pop Marts. Feel ko miss mo na ako kaya ganun, Hais. Hindi mo pa deserve. Hindi mo pa deserve na ma-miss. Hindi pa. Patingin ko Kuromi collection mo. Ano na ba mga Kuromi items ko dito? I have like a few Kuromi charms and stuff na binigay sa akin, but I don't have a lot of Kuromi things. Ano, dead ma lang ba sa akin? Kanina pa ako nagpapapansin. Oo. Have you seen Pop Mart's Peach Riot series? Yes, actually, sobrang cute ng Peach Riot. Pero, I don't know kung saan ko ilalay. Mix, gawin mo research ko. Wow! What if umalis ka sa live na to at mag-aral ka? Hindi yung sa akin pinapagawa research. Alam nyo, parang ayoko na mag-live today. Parang inutusan nyo na lang ako. Parang wag na mag-live. Parang, okay, goodbye, end live. O, diba? Ina nyo eh. Hindi kayo masaya ka-banding pag 1 p.m.? Hindi kayo masaya ka-banding pag 1 p.m.? Charis. What's your priority, Pop Marts? My favorites currently are Molly and OIPP. Pero I also like Hirono. Ala, Kier, Crushy, ala. Alam mo, kung dati mo pa ako pinansin, Kier, ay nako, ewan ko na lang talaga. Hindi mo kasi pinapansin dati. Charis. Pa-shoutout po pang My Day lang. O shoutout My Day mo to, go. Charis. Tayo recap ng live nyo kagabi nga. Bakit ko gagawin yun? Kung wala ka kagabi, ganun yun. Abang-abang ka na lang na screen record, hindi para gawin trabaho ko pa. Dear, need help with a Filipino poem down. Need daw to make, please help. Give na lang kita. Kailangan ba ng asim? Tikman ng bonggang asim with sinigang mix. 1. Ilabas ang iyong long hard gulay. 2. Pakuluan ng baboy dye. 3. Haluan ng sinigang mix. 4. Tikman ng bonggang asim. Yun yung poem ko sa'yo for today. Shout out sa Austria. You have the most beautiful set of teeth. Thank you so much, Sano Dental. Ang dami niyo mag-comment. Go. Shout out po. I'm from Austria. Okay, shout out sa Berto. Pwede ba na ikalma yung comment mo? Alam nyo, kesa sinaspam nyo ng malala yung comment section ko, what if i-spam nyo ng malala yung comments na mga post ko? Diba? Magawan mo ako ng nickname. Ano ka? Ikaw si, Buko Pay Sakto lang. Yun yung nickname mo, Buko Pay Sakto lang. Jaja Collins, shout out sa'yo. Pahiram na nung damit ni Regina. Ha, Jaja Collins, bago ka magpa-shout out, ibalik mo kay Regina yung damit niyang hinihiram ko. Uy. Do you consider collecting Sunny Angels? Sobrang cute ng Sunny Angels. Gusto ko ng hipper. Gusto ko maglagay ng hipper sa phone ko kasi I think they're the cutest. But meron din kasi akong, when something is too mainstream, medyo parang ako, no. Parang all na kasi ina-avail yung Sunny Angel. So parang, dun ako sa hindi masyadong na-appreciate. Like yung Molly and OIPP. Alam ko kasi like, madaming nagko-collect ng Hirono, maraming nagko-collect ng Skull Panda. So dun ako sa mga underappreciated. Ang cute mo po sa mula sa buwan, nakita po kita. Ay, masaya yung araw na yun. Maganda yung ngiti ko ng araw na yun. Hey! Ang dami niyong pinapagawa sa kanya. Bakit AC? Marami ka rin namang inuutos sa akin dati, ah. Actually, today marami ka rin inuutos sa akin today. Gawan mo nga ng nickname ang Yanima. Siya si, Ensaymada with Amag. Go. Shout out. Shout out. Crush ka daw ng roomie ko. Sabihin mo sa roomie mo, send Gcash if true. Kaka. Tayo. Post tayo ng Gcash natin. Pin comment. Gcash. Send Gcash if Send Gcash if true. Huwag na lang mag-nickname. Diba? Hindi ko alam bakit nyo ko hinihinga na nickname. Si Dr. Dr. Wong Sulfur Soap, yun yung pangalan mo, ganun. Bakla, in-expect nyo ako magbigay ng seryosong nickname, huy. Mimo ka kang turista sa Baguio dahil sa duck creek mo. O go nood tayong movie sa SM Baguio na napakalamig. Charis. Papadala ko costume kay Regina. Tama yan, be. Tama yan, be, kasi. Bet ko gamitin, eh. Gusto mo piso, ma, go. Carry ba mapiso konting alog sa Gcash mo? Go. Sendan nyo ako ng piso everyday after mga 5 months may pangkapi ako. Charis. Yung mga gusto mag-buy and claim ng merch sa Mega Mall DM po. Speaking of, oh my God, kailangan nga na pala namin mag-restock ng merch kasi marami na akong out of stock stickers and photo cards. And also we need to, oh my God, I need to work on releasing new merch soon. We've been working on some merch na naka-soft launch sa mga events at the moment, pero hindi ko pa fully naasikaso ang mga bagong merch natin. Girl, I'm one person and I'm tired. Kung lahat ng followers mag-send sa akin ng piso, hindi ako aangal, 20 quit din yun. Charis. Ayan na naman si Miss Universe News. Miss Universe News, ano na namang chismis ang gusto mong malaman today? Si Miss Universe News, Diyos ko, puro ano yan eh. Puro tea at spoiler hinihingi niyan sa akin eh. Charis. Walang crop top edition yung t-shirt merch. Gupitin mo. Gupitin mo! Lahat na lang ba? Lahat na lang ba kailangan kong asikasuhin para sa inyo? Ang sasakit niyo sa ulo, te. Ang sasakit niya sa ulo, uy. I love it. Salamat sa sa nag-comment ng negativity on my comments. Goodbye. Girl, dito talaga, honestly, dito talaga kayo sa live kung magko-comment ng negative against my sisters. Alam nyo, kung ano maging problema nyo sa amin dahil sa TV show, go, like, bala kayo dyan. Kulang kayo ng comprehension and critical thinking. Pero yung para mag-comment pa kayo sa live namin, kami-kami na nga lang tong nagkakaintindihan sa experiences namin. Like, kayo, like, go magpakanega kayong mga fans, go. Pero kaming 11, solid kami, te. Maayos kaming mga, castmates. So, parang, Mayos tayo. Also, sa mga magte-text sa akin sa number ko gamit Gcash, pag na-block kayo number nyo, walang sisihan, nak. Like, hindi para gawin nyo pa akong textmate, marami akong iniisip. Tonight ba yung Beetlejuice, ma? Yes, I'm going to the So, tatambay tayo ng SM Mega Mall this week. I'm gonna go to the Beetlejuice premiere tonight. I will not be going in drag, but if you wanna see me out of drag, if you wanna see me in like just boy drag, tambay kayo sa SM Mega Mall. If nakita nyo ako, let's take photos together. So yeah, I'll be going to the special screening of the Beetlejuice movie, which is the sequel of Beetlejuice. Anyway, di ba papansin ng Negatron, like girl, kung may problema kayo sa kanila, wala kaming problema sa isa't isa, yun lang yun. Hi, Miss Mix. Good luck naman sa Cartel All-Stars. Need ka ng bas-bas super. Miss Martel, you, congratulations on winning August 2024 Drag Cartel. Best of luck to you on your Drag Cartel All-Stars journey. I've been a fan of Drag Cartel since, batch pa nila Marina. And best of luck. Alam mo, gusto ko talaga sumali ng Cartel before, pero naabutan ako ng pandemic, so hindi na ako nakasali. John Fidel Yaga, halika nga dito. John Fidel Yaga, request ka nga. Sana pag pumunta ako Manila, buhay pa rin kayo. Wag kang pala decide. Chari. What if ayoko na? Charot. Back, just had to watch the Continental Crowning. Hi, ate! Ano na, Ate Jiggly? Ate Jiggly, kung hindi ka babalik ng bansa, baka magpasambi pa uli sa mga bakla, oh. Habang andito pa kami all 11, oh. Ate Jiggly, ano na? Miss na kita. Ate Jiggly, dali na. Pambawi lang sa I'm disappointed in you. FB10 kasi ako. John Fideliaga. Kakalabugin ko yun. Tapos sabihin ko, Tesla, paloadan nyo nga itong empleyado nyo. Charis. Abangan sa entrance ng Mega Mall. Go! Sa likod ako dadaan. Hi, Mi. Salam, Habibi. Shower out naman sa mga OFW Saudi. DR page lang nagpapawala sa homesick namin. Oh my God. Sa lahat na ating TFC subscribers, shout out sa inyo. Thank you so much for supporting all the way from wherever you are across the globe. Sana makauwi kayo soon sa inyong mga pamilya. I'm sure miss na kayo ng mga yon. And wishing for you the best of luck, best of health while you're there working abroad para sa ating ekonomiya na winawaldas na ating gobyerno. Huy! Spoil mo po kami, sino top 4? Ayoko, bakit gagawin yun, la? Ba't ko gagawin yun, uy? Mimiss mo na ba ako? Nori, pag nakapagbigay ka na ng maayos na letter, tsaka kita mamimiss. Hindi yung binibigyan mo ako na recipe ng sinigang na hotdog. Sorry. Walang sound, sa akin lang ba? O go. Okay, tamang account na gamit ko. Very good for you. Miss mo na ba ako? Amir, buko pa yung nasakto. Hindi ka pa naman kayo nakikita. Mga be, hindi ko pa kayo nakikita in person. Kalmahan nyo. Gusto nyo spoiler, inamag. Charis. Umuulan na naman ulit dito. I hope you're staying dry wherever you are. Wag na magpakatigas ng ulo. If hindi kailangan lumabas ng bahay, wag na lumabas. If kailangan lumabas, ingat-ingat kayo. Take care. Take care of your health. Stay healthy. Bawal magkasakit. Utos ko yon. Char. When po next episode ng Hanash, we're trying to figure out our schedule pa. Kasi honestly, medyo talagang lubog ang schedule ni Bakla ngayon. But we're taking in suggestions of any topics you want us to talk about. We wanna take Hanash as parang our talk show to talk about life outside of Drag Race. To talk about life experiences as queer people, as Filipinos. And just basically pwede kaming mag-nerd out doon about pop culture topics. Like, if you have any topic suggestions, like, go, comment. Wag na dagdagan this week. Kung pwede nga lang bawasan this week, nak eh. Kung pwede lang bawasan this week, nak, go avail. No, but I'm thankful for all the opportunities I'm getting, and a lot of it is because of you guys' support. But yeah, tao lang din si Gay. Napapagod din si Gay. Naubusan din ang mental bandwidth si Gay. So sometimes I have to, when I'm not working, on some days, I do take a little bit of a step back from socials. I take a step back from work just to decompress. Kasi behind the artist, behind Mick Chanel, there's also a person yearning to be a normal person, diba? Parang na-miss kong maging normal na tao na walang sumasalubong sa akin pag nasa labas ako, ganyan. I'm very thankful for everything, but as an introvert, kailangan ko din ng times to recharge. Kailan i-reveal si Sikaret? If this doesn't say winner, in-game na in-game talaga si Nak. Nak, may boyfriend ka na, Nak. Wala pa. Hindi pa niya tinatanong so hindi pa. Charis. Book reko, yung book nyo sa school, aral kayo. Migo na sa calculator merch. Huwag kayong bala decision. May questions pala sa question panel. Anong tanong? Ayan. Isang question. Pinaka-close na queen. Of course, me and Jake Quinn are close friends for a long time before we went on the show. I was quite close with Tita Baby. Before the show. I became quite close to Versex, UD, and John. Actually, lahat naman sila. Pero parang specifically, parang I became really close with Versex, UD, and John during the show. And then afterwards, parang mas naging close kami ni Kiana. Kasi, Playhouse girly na si Kiana. And now that she's getting to spend more time here, I'm getting to spend more time with her also. Kamusta mental health niya? I'm doing good naman. Doing well. Ayun lang, parang as a means of taking care of myself then sometimes I have to decompress. And I'm scheduling a psych session soon just for upkeep, just because I do like I do promote, I do support people going and seeking professional help for mental health matters. Kasi girl, kung para sa sakit nga natin nagpapadoktor tayo, bakit hindi pa sa ating alaya na naman yung mga papansin, nagsaspam na naman ng mga walang katuturan na questions sa comments, sa questions box. Go! Mamaya titigilan ko basahin to. Alam mo, kaya mo dyan. How's your relationship with your sister? Anyway, ayun, going back. Solid naman kami. Girl, the internet. The ulan is affecting the trip. Anyway, how's your relationship with my sister Jake Quinn? I'm doing, okay naman kami. Wala namang, hindi naman naapektuhan ng show yung friendship namin. But we're also, alam mo yun, we're taking our time with processing the events of the show. So, I'm also giving her a lot of space kasi nga, ayun nga, she's been dealing with a lot lately. So I've been giving her space, but I always make sure na parang to let her know that I'm here whenever she needs me. What song describes your love life right now? So high school, Taylor Swift. I'm dating someone exclusively. Go, ako, avail. Charis. Ako ang cutest in the cast. Charis. Kimi. Sinong drag mom or drag sister? Of course, my drag mom is Evil Queen. That makes, well, I was a baby of Drag Playhouse. So, ayun. My drag mom is Evil Queen. I think technically, Ovi, Marina, and Prince are my drag aunties, in a way. I consider Jake Quinn to be my drag sister. Ayun, yun yung parang drag family ko. But also, guys, like, the Philippine drag industry, especially the Metro Manila drag industry, is quite small. We all, at least kaming mga like pandemic and pre-pandemic queens, we all kind of do know each other. Ayun. So, anyway. At Remix Channel, bumangon ka na may lakad tayo. Hala, yung admin naman ng ko. Yung admin naman ng page ko, wow. Who from the cast gives the best advice? Has to be Tita Baby. Like, Tita Baby na agad yan. Tita Baby has the most life experience of all of us. She may not have the most drag experience because I think Tita Baby has been doing drag, I think around the same for as long as I have. But Tita Baby has had a lot of life experiences. Nakita naman natin sa kanyang like the preview into her life story. She's been through a lot, so I think Tita Baby gives the best advice sa cast. See you sa Saturday sa mga pupunta sa PLDT Drag to Store. I will be there with Popstar Bench. And nandun din si Mrs. Venus Deluxe. Was thinking of ordering sa Zeus Coffee. Any coffee recommendations? I really like the Gula Melaka. The Gula Melaka is kind of like a salted caramel coffee flavor. Pero meron siyang like coconutty siya. Medyo molasses-y yung flavor. But if you want something that's a bit lighter, the buttercream is also really good. Ayan, okay, welcome back to me. Girl, like, kailangan ba kayo pansinin 24/7? Bakla, hanap kayo friends. Ang dami yung nagko-comment sa live, hindi ko naman kayo basahin isa-isa. Ang dami yung binibigay sa akin pala isipan. Teka, hala, sumasakit utak ko sa inyo. Ayan, please follow my updates channel at remix.channel, remyx.channel. Diyan kami nagpo-post ng mga photos from shows that I'm at, some performance videos. So please follow that channel kasi I'm keeping my main Instagram feed. Yung lahat ng content ko from the show, yun muna yung pinaprioritize ko there right now. Biggest competition on this season, sinabi ko on the first episode, Maxi. Girl, you know what? I really... Patron Saint of Comprehension, you Dipota made some points because you all need some comprehension. Kasi ang dami yung tinatanong na lumabas na rin naman sa show. What's your skincare? I use a lot of Kiehl's. I use a lot of Garnier also. I think I use a Get Ready With Me sunblock at the moment, but I also use some Anessa sunblocks. Yeah, so I think mostly I'm using those brands at the moment because I do like to cycle through different skincare. Pag naubos ko, unless sobrang bet na bet ko, I wanna try something else. Ganon. Ewan ko, basta, gets ba? Fave Reputation song, Delicate. Delicate, top 1. And then, Call It What You Want, number 2. Bet nyo Drunk Elephant ma. I have not tried Drunk Elephant products because they are quite expensive. Eto, how's your lifestyle doing this past few weeks? Kasi, you've been busy. Share it naman. Since announcement, from announcement until episode 2, I was working non-stop every day. As in, my team can attest na as in talagang everyday inaasikaso ko yung merch, inaasikaso ko yung content, yung pag creative direct ng shoots, pag-schedule ng shoots, makikipag-usap with photographers. I was working non-stop for, I think, a good, 6 to 8 weeks almost. And, nagkaroon ako last week ng last week technically, ng sunod-sunod na shows. As in, I was in drag for 5 days straight, and after that, I did kind of burn out a little bit. Hindi naman a lot, pero parang napagod ako. So, this past week, I've been taking it a little easier on myself, taking a little more time to, decompress, to live a life outside of the shows, touch some grass. I highly recommend, touching some grass, either literally or metaphorically. So, ayun, I have been, taking a few steps back from work, letting my team handle some things that I can let them handle. But yeah, it's just parang a matter of, figuring out a work-life balance now. Kasi, I mean, you know, the thing with being like on a reality TV show, um, work starts to consume your life, and I'm kind of like trying to find the balance of still having a life outside of work, still having a life outside of Mix Chanel, still making time to see my friends that know me as Sean and not as Mix. Ganon, mga ganong stuff. So yeah, parang if minsan napansin nyo I'm not super active on socials, that just means I'm taking time to live a life outside of being the drag supernova Mix Chanel. If you have a chance to visit LU, would you go? Yung parang gala lang ng gala, not doing drag. Girl, lagi ako nasa LU. Like, in the past 3 years, I've been to LU at around 10 times probably. So, ngayon nyo lang ako pinapansin kasi ngayon nyo lang ako nakita sa TV. So, ewan ko na lang sa inyo. Pero madalas ako dun before. So, gets ba? Charing. When do you think you can ROI? Matagal pa. I spent a lot. I invested a lot of my savings for the show. And now that the show is going, I'm investing a lot again in making content, in producing merch, in, you know, I cannot physically and mentally do everything myself. So I also have I do have some people that are on my payroll for my team. So ayun, nag-invest ako a lot in the building the empire, the brand Mix Chanel now. So it's gonna be a while, but I don't mind naman kasi, you know, alam ko naman yan coming into drag na parang drag is gonna require a lot of investment. Tips on how to speak well like you, just practice. Girl, madaldal ako. Introverted akong tao, pero with the people I'm close to, madaldal ako ever since. So, ayun. Attend public speaking workshops. Attend any mga public speaking workshops, improv workshops. Ganon. Like, just keep doing it. How did you first get into drag? Well, first, I started watching Drag Race way back in 2013. Nung time na nag-go viral yung music videos nila Willem, I started watching Drag Race from there, and it made me interested in makeup, and then over the years, I became a makeup artist. I got into theater, started performing in theater, and then nung pandemic, tsaka ako nag-decide na parang, okay, I really want to pursue drag this time around. So I've been doing drag since 2020, and now I'm here. Skin is glowing. What's your skincare routine? I use the Garnier Vitamin C Facial Wash, the Garnier Vitamin C Serum, I use the night cream, I use, a glycolic acid serum from L'Oreal, I use a toner and retinol from Kiehl's, I use the Get Ready With Me sunscreen, and also, I'm quite well taken care of by Montenola Aesthetic Clinic. Though, I haven't been to Montenola in over a month, so medyo parang pinagagalitan na nga ako ni Doc Mads na, huy, mag-pamper day ka naman. How to start drag? Do you like audition or what? If you want to start doing drag, you do have to kind of accept from the start that you have to do it out of passion. Before mo siya maging trabaho, kailangan passion mo yung drag. Kasi sobrang laking investment ng drag. Before you ever get hired, before you get your first talent fee sa pagdadraga, marami ka nang gagastusin for wigs, for costumes, for makeup. So, if hindi mo siya passion, if gusto mo lang siyang gawing career, it's not gonna work out for you. Like, I don't know what to tell you, but it's not gonna work out for you if gusto mo lang kaperahan yung drag agad-agad. Oh my god, this is quite a intense question. I love this. You said po sa Untalk na you like people liking you. I don't want to sound offensive, pero ganun din po kasi ako. Do you consider yourself as a people pleaser? Definitely. I grew up with a lot of people pleasing tendencies, and that's something that I've been working on with my therapist. Kasi, you know, it's just a matter of fact na in life, not everyone's gonna like you. You are not gonna be everyone's cup of tea. Not everyone is gonna understand the frequency at which you operate. Not everyone is gonna be on your wavelength. And that's just fact. Ganun talaga. Parang, not everyone is for everyone. And, alam mo yon, I used to be so much more hurt by not being liked, but I've been working on it a lot with my therapist, and I've outgrown a lot of those habits. Pero syempre, parang, I grew up programmed that way, so I can't unprogram it sa sarili ko overnight. It's a lot of work in progress and a lot of active working on myself. If you weren't a drag queen right now, what do you think your job is? It wasn't until I had a full-time job pa on top of doing drag for I think the first 2.5 years of my career. I was a graphic artist at a marketing and events agency. So if I wasn't doing drag right now, I'd probably still be in advertising and marketing of some sort. Were you an academic achiever ba? I'm super pressured right now. I talked a little bit about this in our Hanash podcast. The new show that we're launching on Bekenemen called Hanash. I had a lot of I was an academic achiever, especially when I was in grade school. I did really well in school nung high school then, pero nung college hindi na. I had a lot of academic anxiety, but the best advice I could give you and to all the students right now is to enjoy your school life more than anything. Kasi more than grades, what you're gonna need in the outside world, in the working world, you're gonna need good connections and a good work ethic. And in order to develop good work ethic, you have to have experience, like a great amount of work experience, especially sa mga orgs. Kailangan maganda yung work experience mo, because that's how you develop good work ethics, good work practices while working. Hindi mo siya pwedeng ma-develop just theoretically. So, alam mo yun, parang grades are not the end-all be-all of your high school or college experience. Important siya kasi syempre kailangan mong pumasa, but you don't have to pressure yourself na kailangan parang star student ka lagi. There's more to life than grades. Anyway, let's go. Let's speed run some questions. Zodiac sign ko is I'm a Pisces. Pisces, Sun, Moon, Mercury, and Venus. I have a Virgo rising. My Libra is Mars. Yes, my natal chart is crazy. I am aware. Not answering any more questions that I've answered today or even before. Medyo parang girl, paulit tayo. Paulit tayo dyan. Do I accept gifts from fans? Yeah, I do naman sa shows. Like, pero sana naman maayos. Like, girl, let's not put ourselves in danger. Charis. Is Kiana Ulok Brat in Bisaya? Yes, go. Charis. Would you accept me if bakla ako? No. Chari. Anyway, ayun. Okay, ayun. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I think this live is about to end in a few minutes din naman. So, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me on a Tuesday afternoon. Just wanted to kind of hop on and tumambay lang, ganyan, before I start doing work and then before I start preparing for the Beetlejuice premiere tonight. So if anyone's gonna go to the Beetlejuice premiere or if anyone's gonna go to Mega Mall today, kung masalubong nyo ako, don't be shy, approach, ask for pictures as long as you're asking nicely. I don't mind. But yeah, see you there. Can you shout out my cousin? She's going to recreate your looks on Dress to Impress. Her name is Zoe. Shout out to her and to everyone that's been tagging me in their Dress to Impress creations. It's been super cute how you guys have been, how you've been recreating my looks and the looks from the girls. I also love seeing the looks of the other queens that you recreate on Dress to Impress. Nakakatawa yung creativity nyo of trying to achieve our looks on the show. Yung masyado na malambot yung straw, no? Zeus. Ay, thanks. Nakafocus ako gumawa ng schoolwork while watching this live. Buti ka pa, hindi yung mga iba na sinasabi, dapat may gagawin akong ganito ngayon pero manonood muna akong live mo. Uy, either get off this live or multitask. Prioritize what you need to prioritize, girlies. Hindi ako mawawala pagkatapos ng season, huwag kayong mag-alala. When po another upload sa YouTube channel, alam ko, sinabihan ko na yung team ko to start editing because we do have some vlog footage from the past month na hindi ko lang naasikaso kasi nga ang dami nangyayari. We do have some vlog footage that we might start editing and uploading soon and upload on the YouTube channel. So if you can, subscribe to my YouTube channel. But in terms of like doing specific content, I filmed a makeup transformation with John Fidel Yaga. I think it's coming out in the next few weeks. So subscribe din kayo kay John. But yeah. Baka world tour na mapagtapos ng season 3 available. Kung mabubook ako worldwide, girl, why not? Bakit natin tatanggihan yan? May grado po ba yung suot yung eyeglasses? Yes, may grado yan. Sa mga tao nagsusuot ng eyeglasses na walang grado, the fuck? Like, don't take your 2020 eyesight for granted. I mean, buti sana ko yung parang like blue light filter glasses yan, ganon. But, yo, like, girl, if you're wearing eyeglasses for the aesthetic, di wow, ikaw na. I started listening to lo-fi music because of you. Well, honestly, I started playing lo-fi music sa lives kasi as a neurodivergent girly, I need to be hearing something. And hindi naman tayo pwede mag-play na actual music kasi naka-copyright sa mga live. So, nag-search lang ako ng mga lo-fi version ng mga favorite kong albums, ganyan. Right now, we're listening to Taylor Swift Folklore but lo-fi. Mom, did you join the journalism contest? Tips po sa akin, mabawi ako second place your last school year. Never ako nag-journalism when I was in school. I was the layout editor of our school paper, but that was because I was really good at graphics even from high school pa lang. But in terms of writing, I did write a column noon, pero I wasn't like such a journalist. I just more like talked about life in the column. Oh my god, a high schooler talking about life. Sobrang funny niya isipin na, but I do have a little writing experience, but yeah, I never really took journalism. How tall are you po? I'm 5'10". Sorry po, pero ba't ang sarap mo today? Masarap ako everyday. Duh. Charis. Even international think you're the prettiest. I also think that as well. Charot. Kimi lang. I am 27 years young. Gusto ko talaga sinasabi 27 years young. I'm so excited for your Snatch Game. Abangan this Wednesday Snatch Game episode. Please stream on Wow Presents Plus or HBO Go. Huwag na kayo magpirata. Pag na may mirata kayo at nagko-comment kayo dito, please leave. Charing! Best advice you could give to people pleasers like you can't please everyone. And that's something you have to learn. That's something you have to grow to accept. And the sooner you accept that, the sooner you can outgrow those people-pleasing tendencies. Hint sa Snatch Game mo, yes, hello, welcome to me. Charing! Did you... Not drugs. Charing! Did you dye your hair black or wig lang talaga yung vlog sa show? Baby girl, the show was filmed months ago. Hindi kami bumabalik-balik sa studio every week. The show was filmed months ago. So this is my natural hair color. You can see a little bit of blonde and brown still left over from when I was blonde, but this is all my natural hair color now. I grew out my hair. The show is not being filmed week to week. We don't go back to the studio every week. It was filmed, all of the episodes were already filmed months ago. Interesting. What's my gender identity? I identify as non-binary. I don't mind he, him. I don't mind he, him pronouns out of drag. I don't mind she, her pronouns in drag. But my preference is they, them. I am non-binary. So I hate being referred to as a man. Except pag ako, kasi ako yun. Like, girl, free pass to myself. But like, please do not call me a man. Please don't call me a boy. Nag-subscribe lang talaga ako sa HBO Go dahil sa Drag Race. Tama behavior. Alam nyo, even if Drag Race is a big international franchise, hindi naman guaranteed yung succeeding seasons. Hindi guaranteed yung succeeding seasons for international franchises. So the more you support us legally, the more streams you give on the correct streaming platforms, the more guaranteed it will be that future seasons of it will happen. So if you guys want an All-Stars, stop pirating the show. Oh, this is so cute. No question, but I want to say na appreciate ka namin kada weekly challenge. Don't be harsh po to yourself. Chill lang. I love you. Our beloved mix gulay-gulay, baboy-baboy, mix-mix asim. Thank you. Yeah, I mean, ayun nga, parang tapos na yung show, guys. Like, we finished filming the show, and I'm watching myself now on TV. I'm realizing more how hard on myself I can be, and best believe that's something I've been working on with my therapist since I came out of filming, and now that I'm getting to see it and watch it, I'm always a work in progress, and I'm always trying to better myself. And you know, the more that I become aware of things that I need to work on, is the sooner I can improve on them. So yeah, I know I can be really harsh on myself, but because I am quite a perfectionist, I do expect like a certain quality from myself. Mima, pwede ba malaman gaano katagal yung shoot? I don't know if I can go to specifics, but I think it is common knowledge at this point that most seasons are filmed somewhere between 4 to 6 weeks. With 1 or 2 rest days per week lang. So, I mean, yon, like, just figure out the math from there. But yeah, and we do film that we are locked in to filming for a certain period of time on the show. Tapos, and then after they finish filming, tsaka sila nag-edit. So that's why whenever we say on the podcast na the story is being told backwards, they are editing, they're selecting the storylines that would make sense for the ending that we got. Gets ba? Parang ganun siya. Where do you go next after Drag Race? For me, right now, it's just a matter of whatever opportunity comes, we'll go for that. We'll work on that. Definitely, I've worked on becoming quite a staple of the local industry for the past 3 years. And so that hard work is not gonna stop. That hard work is not gonna stop after the show. Naka-hotel ba kayo or what? Umuwi rin then film? No, we don't go to our houses. We're not allowed to. Kasi pag umuwi, syempre may chance yung mga queens na kumuha ng bagong gamit. No, kung ano yung dinala namin gamit, pagkapasok namin na filming, yun na yung dala namin gamit. We're locked in. Like, locked in. Like, hindi na kami lumalabas-labas. We're locked in. Yung rest days namin, we spend it in the hotel or in the set. Nakakagutom po ba talaga kapag ka-shoot na? Depends, I guess, sa experience ng bawat queen. Ako kasi, when I'm really busy, sometimes I forget to eat. So, kaya rin, pansinin nyo, pumapayat ako throughout the episodes. Love your toy unboxing more pa, please. Oh my God, yeah. Next time na magkaroon ulit ako ng Pop Mart haul, we will do unboxings. Isa stories uli natin ng mga unboxing videos natin ng Pop Marts. Because I love my Pop Marts. Dear, mahirap ba JHS? September pa lang kinakabahan na ako mag-JHS next year. Dear, hindi ko na naabutan ng senior high, junior high, senior high. I know a lot of you think I look really young. I'm 27. Hindi ko na naabutan ng junior high, senior high. So, I'm not the right person to ask. Eto pa, I'm curious, bakit may baggage limit if local lang naman galing? Can't they like store all of the costumes in a warehouse? The baggage limit is for fairness. Kasi some queens, like for example, Yudipota had to fly in all of her stuff from Bacolod. So, para lang fair sa lahat, meron kaming baggage limit kasi even for queens in Metro Manila, may baggage limit kami. Kasi yun lang yung baggage na kaya accommodate ng production when flying in girls from different provinces or different countries. Like for example, Gigi Era from season 1 had to fly in all of her stuff from Australia. So they could only accommodate a certain number of baggage and a certain weight limit para fair sa lahat. Hindi ako sobrang nakakapag-tune into Global All-Stars. I watch Eva's clips that I see. I've watched the first couple episodes, pero hindi ako sobrang hindi ako sobrang nakakapag-tune in sa international franchises right now. Because honestly, like, low-key drag fatigue. Parang, when I'm not working, I would love to stay away from drag a little bit. So, sinasabi na sa inyo, Queen, kung anong category hanggang finals para mapaghandaan? Yes. I think, ano naman na yan, if you've been watching international franchises for a long time, lumalabas naman tong mga ganitong information. So, yeah. We have all the looks prepared na when we go in for lock-in taping. Spoiler po, next episode, no. Because neither you nor I can afford the fine if I violate my NDA. So no, that's not gonna happen. What's your favorite look na napakita na the fractals? Fractals, definitely. Nakita kita before sa Kumu. Yup, during the pandemic, I was a live streamer on Kumu. Ano ba? Anyway, it's almost 2 o'clock. So, magtatrabaho na po muna ako. Thank you. Yeah, may OIPP sa likod. I love my OIPP collection. I love my Mondi collection. It's quite a modest collection. Hindi naman ako like super addict sa Pop Marts, but I do enjoy them. Anyway, thank you guys for hanging out with me on this Tuesday. Alam ko sobrang random ako nag-live ng tanghaling tapat. I hope you guys stay safe, stay healthy. I'm manifesting good vibes, good energy, and safety para sa inyo na even if paulan-ulan, pabagyo-bagyo, hindi kayo bahain dyan wherever you are. But yeah, thank you so much for hanging out with me. Tas before ako umalis, may kwento ako kasi